What's up, everybody? It's been a while since I made a video, obviously, and I wanted to just jump on in and make something just free form and tell you what's going on. Before I do that, I want to say a big thanks to cats like Excellent, Bird, Fleece, Jeff, all the cats that have checked in on me to see if, hey man, what's up? All that stuff. This is gonna be a strange one. Strange, I don't know if strange is the word I'm looking for, but it's gonna be different. I have not been practicing, I have not been playing. I've played bass when I've had to absolutely play bass, and so that's a strange place for me to be in. Some of you guys may have found yourself in that place as well. I've been pretty transparent in some of the live streams, some of the last live streams I did, and so you guys know that my mom is really sick, and the pandemic is doing a number on me as it's doing a number on a lot of people. I've played bass since I was a teenager and spent most of my adult life playing bass professionally. Spent a lot of time on this YouTube channel. I'm not going to stop making videos, but I needed a little bit of time to reset. And because if my head and my heart aren't together, then I'm not able to put out meaningful content. And I want to put out meaningful content. The bass specific space on YouTube is very crowded, and the YouTube is a monster that needs to be fed. You know what I'm saying? But again, if my head isn't in the right place, if my heart isn't in the right place, then I'm not really putting out content that is meaningful. And I want to do that. I'm definitely not going anywhere. I just needed to take a break. You can, if you type in triads or, a tutorial or something like that on YouTube, scores of things are going to come up. So there's lots of stuff. If I'm to be perfectly honest, sometimes I have crisis of confidence. We all, whether we want to admit it or not, we all kind of get there where, the things that get the views and all that stuff are the flashy things and stuff like that. I'm not that guy. I've never been that guy. I don't desire to be that guy. I do want to create content that is more than just bass by itself. So, taking a step back every now and again helps me to think about that and reset a little bit. But for those of you who have subscribed to this channel for a long time, new subscribers, I really want to say thank you. I appreciate you checking for new stuff, going through the old content and checking out all the tutorials that are on this channel. I really do appreciate it. And again, the guys that I've developed friendships with who call and text and things like that, I really, really, really appreciate it. I was on stage at a church I used to play at, and I was thinking, what would I do? Who would I be if I wasn't doing this? If I wasn't on stage, if I wasn't traveling, if I wasn't playing on a regular basis, who would I be? The pandemic, for better or worse, has kind of made a lot of people, myself included, step back and think, who am I? What am I doing? What's the point of some of this stuff? And, what is next? So I just wanted to make a quick video. I do have some videos kind of in the can, and some stuff that I'm shooting as I kind of get the headspace to do that. Yeah, man, it's a strange time. It's a really strange time. Like a lot of people, and particularly musicians, we're all kind of like, we thought this thing was gonna last for a couple of weeks, a month at best, and we'd be able to get back to work. And so I'm super fortunate. I'm a full-time music teacher, and being a teacher in the public school system, in the middle of a global pandemic is a whole different kind of head trip, you know, just trying to stay safe and not let the Rona get on you, those types of things. But yeah, so I appreciate you. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm making this video. That's why I'm just kind of sitting here in front of the camera and just saying, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And so don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I just need to reset sometimes. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. You could leave some comments below. I would love to hear what you do when you find yourself in that rut, or you just feel like you're in a space where you want to do something else, or you're just not feeling like playing the instrument. Yeah, man. So that's where I am, and I just wanted to share it with you. So I will be back at you very, very soon with another video. Thanks again for subscribing. Thanks for checking in on me. Thanks for everything. All right, so I will catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace. 2 fingers.